age comes changes, as we all well know, and most of the time those changes aren't good. It can add years to our appearance, but there's a way to get instant gratification. We all love that.
Absolutely, and here's a man that can help you do it and get back what you lost. Bernie Blanks, he's a registered nurse with Advanced Aesthetics. Great having you back, buddy.
I am so excited to be back. Who knew that Botox would be so popular at this hour?
It is all the rage.
Right?
I think the past couple of years, right? Everyone's just trying to look their best.
Right. I tell people now, it's just like getting a haircut, basically. It's maintenance. Everybody's doing it.
It used to be people wouldn't want to talk about it. They wanted people to know. Now it's like, who cares?
Yeah, just do it.
Absolutely. So it's a super popular procedure. What other advancements in cosmetic procedures can we use to enhance the loss of volume in a face?
Right. So the last time I was on, we kind of touched on that loss of volume that happens to the face due to the diminishing of bone density, muscle tone, and then, of course, the fat pads in our face. When all of those go away, we see these sinking, hollow, dark circles under the eye. We see the loss of the apple of the cheek. We see also under the cheek a lot of hollowing. This gives the face like a gaunt and a flat appearance. But now, we can completely change that with some of the beautiful products that we have to restore that natural curve to the cheek.
Okay, and we have pictures right here. What are we looking at?
Okay, so if we look at the picture on the right of the screen, and we see that little S squiggle on the side, that's showing that this is what we want to see when we look at the feminine cheek. In the 45-degree angle, that cheek has that nice S curve. We call that the OG curve in aesthetics, and that's exactly what we want to see. And on the other picture, we saw that cheek was completely flat, and that's what we don't want to see. That's a super telltale sign of aging. There we go. We see it again. And also on the picture on the left, you see under her cheekbone the hollowing that she has there. Whereas on the right, we've restored everything. She's got volume, nice appley in the cheek, and then that beautiful OG curve on the far cheek.
See, I never realized, you know, this a couple of years ago before this whole cosmetic surgery thing became, you know, such a thing, that's what it was. That's what it is that makes you look younger.
Absolutely.
Is the plumpness, where I think that's like face fat, and I try to I want to lose my face fat, but I want that to stay looking young.
Right, and the thing about fat loss is that when we lose weight, we can't decide where it goes.
Exactly.
And it almost always happens in the face. And when that happens, we do want to restore it. Like we have a lot of young clients who are very athletic, a lot of dancers on the street, a lot of bodybuilding people, and they come in, their bodies look flawless, but their face is kind of a little bit raisin-like because of all of the fat loss. That's right. But now we have so many beautiful products that we can recreate that youthful look with.
Tell us about those products.
Okay, so we have, it depends on if you come in, say Megan, you came in and said, oh, I want to have my cheeks done. I would ask you, do you want the immediate gratification, like instant, or do you want to wait a few months and let the product build your own collagen and elastin? But since we're on the morning blend and we only have a few minutes, let's say you said instant gratification.
Of course.
Okay, I love the instant. So we would use Restylane Lift or Voluma. Now, both of those products are hyaluronic acids. Now, a lot of people, when you say the word acid, they're like, oh my God, acid in my face, that's like a Batman movie. No,
no, thank you.
Right, no thank you. But no reason for alarm, because hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in the body. Its three uses are to lubricate the joints, to just fill any empty spaces in the body, but also to hydrate the skin. Right, so when we're born, newborn babies, they have just the plumpest, springiest. There we go. There's our little critter. Look at that skin, how plump, juicy, dewy, moisturized it looks, because hyaluronic acid is a natural humectant, and it's in 50% of our skin. The sad thing is, by the time we reach the age of 50, 80% of the hyaluronic acid in our bodies is gone.
So this is to restore it, okay.
Right, so what that means is the skin gets dry, crepey, wrinkly, saggy, without that hyaluronic acid. So these products, basically, it's like if your car runs out of gas, you fill her up with gas, your face runs out of hyaluronic acid, we pump it right back in there.
We have a video that we want to show of one of your patients. We're going to warn you, if you're sensitive to seeing needles,
turn away for a second.
Just for a second. Okay, here we go. Tell us what we're looking at.
So this is the beautiful Leah Sykes. She's a very successful performer on the strip. And what I'm doing is I'm just injecting Voluma, that's that hyaluronic acid, into the cheek, into the cheekbone area, just to give her some fullness. Because you see on the picture on the left, she had just very flat cheeks, and then on the right, you see, look at that restoration.
Plump it up.
The cheek and the cheekbone, beautiful, beautiful results. And, you know, in the time it takes you to wait for like your favorite summer Frappuccino, I can
You can
do,
with this,
I,
and
that's
no
right.
pain.
I
Leah
can,
didn't look
yes.
like it.
And
And you'll write down their name correctly.
Absolutely. And, you know, I've had a Frappuccino or two this summer, and our fillers are only a little bit more expensive.
There we
Oh,
go.
see, how
There we
about
go.
that?
Absolutely.
We have Leah in the studio here
Yes,
today.
we do, the beautiful Leah.
Look at her,
that.
looking
Leah.
stunning.
Hello.
How was the procedure? Did you love it?
I loved
The
it.
results.
It was super easy. I barely felt anything. I'm a little afraid of needles, and Bernie made me feel completely comfortable. I barely felt it at all. And I absolutely love the outcome of what has happened to my face.
Yeah.
It's
That's awesome.
completely lifted me and made me look so much younger, and yeah, I love it.
Bernie, how long do the results last?
For Voluma, for this product, the manufacturer says it will last up to 2 years,
Oh, wow.
which is a
wow.
lot of bang for your buck.
That's great.
That's why I love to use that product, because it's very cohesive, it's very strong, stays together, and lasts a long time in the face.
Instant gratification,
Right.
and it lasts 2 years. Wow.
Yeah,
There
pretty
you
amazing,
go.
right?
Because you expect it to last 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
So,
No.
Or just the
uh-uh.
night. Instant gratification. It's just going to
Date
last
night,
the night.
exactly.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome.
Well, thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Thanks for
Great
having me
information.
again. Had a great time.
Of course. Right now, Advanced Aesthetics offering 2 syringes of Restylane Lift for only $700 or 2 syringes of Voluma for $900. Savings are right there on your screen. They're located on Rainbow between Sahara and Oki. And for more information and to schedule your appointment today, call the number listed or head to advancedaestheticslv.com. We'll be back.